What's up guys, and welcome back to Nikki's Home Kitchen. So for today's recipe we're going to be making a Jamaican curry chicken. So let's get started with the ingredients. So for the ingredients, I've got 2 medium onions here which have been sliced, 3 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 2.5 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of allspice powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. This is a naga pepper, or you could even use a scotch bonnet pepper, so one of these. I've got 1 cup of sliced carrots and 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. I've also got a few pimento seeds here and some dried thyme, which I'm also going to be adding to the chicken curry. And for the main ingredient, I've got 4.5 pounds of chicken, and you could use any parts of the chicken. I've used a mixture of legs and the thighs. So I've taken a medium-sized pan here and I've added a little bit of oil, about 3 tablespoons worth. And I'm just going to add in the onions, and we're going to fry the onions here for about 3 minutes. So our onions have been frying for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm just going to be adding in the pimento seeds here. Just fry that for about 10 seconds. And now I'm going to add in the garlic. And we're just going to give this a mix and let this cook for another few more minutes till the raw taste of the garlic goes. Our onions and garlic have been cooking now for a bit, and you can see it's turning lightly brown. I'm going to add in all the dry spices now. And we're going to give this a good mix here. Let this cook for about 5 or 6 minutes. And if you find the spices are drying out, you can just add a little bit of water. And again, let it cook for a few minutes before we add the tomatoes. So I've added in the tomatoes now, and I'm gonna let this cook again for another 4 or 5 minutes. Now our spice mixture has been cooking for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna add in the chicken now. Give that a good mix here. We're going to let this cook on medium heat for about 25 minutes. But after about 5 minutes or so, we're going to add in the carrots and the thyme and the pepper. Our chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes, so now I'm going to add in the potatoes, the carrots, the thyme, and the pepper. Just gonna give that a good stir here. And then I'm gonna add in about 1 cup of water. Just give that another good mix. Our curry chicken has been cooking now for about 25 minutes and we are ready to serve. So we just need to top this off with some chopped coriander, and it's best had with some white rice. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you next week with another recipe. Bye guys!